Hi, Robert Anthony here for Audiotuts Plus. Logic Pro 10 is here, and with it, a host of great new improvements, features, and enhancements. In this screencast, I want to give you an overview of the new redesigned mixer. You can quickly bring up the mixer by pressing the letter X on your keyboard. Looking at the channel strips here, you have at the very top, right under the channel strip settings button, a new gain reduction meter. If you load up one of Logic Pro 10's compressor plugins, this meter will give you a graphic display of the gain reduction that the compressor is providing. Next, we have the familiar EQ display. You can still double-click right inside of this display to quickly add a channel EQ. Next, on virtual instrument tracks, you have the new MIDI effects insert. These are a great new feature you can add to virtual instrument tracks to change and modify the incoming MIDI information. Then, you have the redesigned input audio effects and bus displays. Once you have an instrument or effects unit loaded, or once you send to a bus, you will see that when you hover over, you get three handy options for clicking. The first is a very handy power button. You can use this to quickly turn on and off the individual effects. The middle section is for opening up the graphic display for the plugin. And finally, an option on the end is to quickly change the plugin that you have inserted. You can also click and drag in the center to rearrange the inserts, or copy them to another channel strip. Here in the audio effects area, you can click the bottom to add a new insert if all of the slots are filled up. If you click on the output option, there is a new binaural setting for easily creating three-dimensional panning and placement. Now, I'm going to create a bunch of sequencer tracks to show off the new narrow channel strip option. If you have more channel strips than can be displayed on screen, you can use the new narrow channel strips toggle to fit more of them on screen at once. Using these two options, you can switch between narrow and wide views for the channel strips. The newly designed mixer inside of Logic Pro 10 is just one area that has been greatly improved to both speed up your workflow and make it easier than ever to get that mix you're after. This is Robert Anthony for Audiotuts Plus. Thanks for watching.